Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche Okoye. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve my flawless foundation and then how I highlight and contour my face in details, because these cheeks are like a follow form, so it's always like difficult to achieve that chiseled look with big cheeks. But today I'm going to show you how I do it. So if you think this is something you might be interested in, then keep watching. What I do is I use a moisturizer. This is the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion for all skin type. You need to use a moisturizer before your foundation. That way you can get a flawless skin. And then if it's during the day, you need an SPF, which is very important. This is from Nivea, Protect and Moisture Lock SPF 50. Then next, I go in with my primer. This is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. This is for girls with oily face. I have like an oily skin type and I don't skip this step. If you want to get that flawless foundations like look throughout the end of the day, you need a primer. It's very important. You can't skip it. After my moisturizer and sunscreen, I like to use a cream highlighter to just get that glow from within when I put on my foundation. And this is from NYX Away with Glow liquid highlighter in daytime halo. I'll put it places where I'll usually put highlights when I finish my makeup, like here, my forehead, my nose, and here. Next, I'm going to mix it into foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation in the shade Deep Golden 368, and this is the Morphe foundation in the shade F20. I'm using this brush from Vanity Planet. This is their flat top stippling brush to blend out my foundation. Now you can see the way I blend out my foundation. I don't swipe, I just stipple it like dab dab dab. Then next, I'm going to go in with a sponge to just blend everything. Then for my highlight, I'm going to use this concealer from Zikel. This is the Zikel Second Skin Concealer in the shade Café. I'm going to blend it in with my beauty sponge. Next, I'll be going in with the same concealer, but this time around I'm using the shade Nude. This is like 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and this is just to brighten my under eye area. So you can see the difference between this side and this side. This side automatically gets brightened. Next, I'm going to go with this concealer. This is the Revolution SuperSize Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C18. I'm going to be using this to contour my face. I'm going to be going in with the same brush I used for my foundation to blend out this contour, and I blend it up. I'll be going in next with my setting powder, and this is the Maybelline setting powder in medium. This is a loose powder in medium. I'm going to use the powder to set the places that I highlighted, and I'll be using this brush from Real Technique. This is their contour brush, but I like to use this brush to set the places where I highlight. After I set the rest of my face, I like to go in with a pressed powder, and this is a Milani powder in the shade 109 Warm. I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face, the places where I didn't set with the setting powder. And don't forget your neck. I'm going to dust off the excess powder and use it all over my face just to blend in everything to give you that flawless look. I'll be setting the places where I contoured with this Morphe finishing powder in the shade Filter 15. I'm going to go all over my face with this powder brush that I used initially to just blend everything together so that there won't be any harsh line. I'm going to add some blush from this palette. This is the Itsmyraerae X bhcosmetics palette. And I'm going to use this blush here, Brownie Bite, to blush my face. Alright guys, I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, put on some mascara, lashes and lips, and I'll come back and show you the final. To complete the rest of my face, I used the lip liner from Flawless Ivy and NYX matte lipstick in Rose the Day and NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. And then for my highlights, I used the FayreGold Cosmetics highlights. So this is the final look. This is how I achieve my flawless foundation routine and how I contour and highlight my face. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel guys, please, and turn on the notification bell to know when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Trying to bide our time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall.